Okay guys, this is a 2018 Chevy Colorado ZR2. Send you from Real Deal Auto. It's got your sliders on there, all weather floor mats, leather. It has 86,274 on the miles, cruise control, heated seats, all your locking differentials, backup camera, tow package, four-wheel drive, power windows, mirrors, locks. Does have a bed cover, is a little beat up. Spray and bed liner. Starting to rain on me. Just have your bows. And check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com. This is a rebuilt title. Damage is right here, suspension area. Take a closer look here.